Sergio. First of all, happy birthday, Sergio.
Thank you.
You fucking did it.
I did it.
You turned 25. 25 years old. And by the way, he doesn't look a day past 22, this motherfucker, does he?
I know, Rod thought I was turning 22.
I know. By the way, Sergio's been with us for like fucking 10 years. So you would have had to start working with us when you were like 10.
It was child labor from the start. That's why my age was never listed early on.
The fuck up. So, we came to Lambo Newport Beach. Actually, Lamborghini. Yeah, Lambo Newport Beach.
Yeah.
That's what we did. Holy shit. And the reason why is we have the tire pressure problem because we have the new button that turns on the lights. We're not saying that. But yes, tire underinflated. It's not underinflated. So we got to fix that. And when we came in, we said hi to Abdel and everything. He brought up the 765 LT.
You're a McLaren guy. You drove the GT. Now you got the McLaren blood back in you.
I'm gonna tell you something, Sergio, and this is something I want you guys to tell me how you feel about this. I love those cars. I love those cars.
You're feeling flammable.
I feel inflammable when I'm in one. I love them. I legitimately adore the way they drive, the way they look, the way they sound, everything. I fucking hate the company. There's no secrets there. But I feel really stupid for liking them so much. How do you guys feel? How do you feel about it?
It's terrible that it's on the company side. That the product's incredible.
Yeah.
But it's just the relational side of it.
Yeah.
That's ruined. But
Yeah.
I think they're incredible. When we were driving the GT, I loved it. I think like we were talking about on the way here, the visibility.
He's so good.
It's crazy. Like this Huracan, I love it, but you can't see a thing.
Yeah.
The McLaren is just a big glass bowl. You see everything. You feel like you're in such control.
So we're gonna take this inside. We're gonna check out the LT and go drive it, and we'll not gonna change my Lambo for it. But how do you guys feel about that? What would you do if you were me? Because I legitimately like the LT more than the Storado. I'm not gonna lie.
What about it?
I'm not gonna lie. The way it looks, the idea of how it drives, and they have spiders.
The Spider is really nice, and the fact that the tops are so seamless.
It's so good. So I know I don't want to talk anything about the company, but you know what? Let's just give the coin to Abdel first because he's just waiting for us. Like, sorry. All right, we're here with Abdel.
You got his name wrong.
Hang on. No, I got it right. It's just, I'm asking, how do you want me to pronounce it? Because I know how it is being a foreigner with a different type of name that people can pronounce. So I asked you, but what is your real name? I want to see Sergio's face when you say it.
It's Abdurrahman. or your favorite car salesman. That's the best pronunciation.
Oh, wow.
I didn't see that one in the dictionary.
Wow. Holy shit.
That's pretty intense.
That is pretty intense, but good for you. I like it. It has a lot of personality and also cologne. I can smell the cologne when you say it. When you say it, I can smell the excess of cologne.
Yeah,
that's good.
Dior Sauvage. Yeah.
Oh yeah, right. It's Dracar Noir, motherfucker. Don't fucking lie to me. Wawa Weewa, Sergio.
It's the most expensive one in the country.
Wawa fucking Weewa. The white with the blue and the yellow and the red interior, because you can't see it, motherfuckers. It's just, can you please remind me what car model is this one, Sergio? Because I feel like this is not right.
Honestly, I couldn't tell you.
Isn't it a Portofino?
That's the one. No, is this the one after the Portofino? Or is it still the same one?
It's a Portofino.
It's the white Ferrari.
It says it right there.
There
it's
it
a
is,
Portofino. This is the entry-level Ferrari. This dude spec'd the living fuck out of it.
This thing's nuts. It looks great.
I love it.
It looks great on it.
I'm also dressed all in blue.
I heard that the same guy that paints the shields paints the line in the Storado.
No, the line's more exclusive. First of all, oh, whoa, dude, what the fuck is this?
That's the eccentric Diablo GT.
Is
It's
it
a resto mod.
It is, right?
Yes.
about these.
So
These things are nuts.
it's practically on a Diablo GT chassis.
Uh-huh.
Completely redone. So new wheels, new taillights, new headlights. It's been widened, it's been shortened, new exhaust, it's louder. Look at this.
No. This is unbelievable. I mean, you're gonna need your filming skills, not mine, but.
That's definitely gonna require some.
Whoa.
Stairs, get some angles.
Whoa. Oh my God, with the blue interior. How much are these?
These are roughly going to trade for about $1 million.
That's not bad. I was gonna think more.
It is actually.
Yeah.
What world do we live in where
Plus-
$1 million is not bad?
Plus the donor car. So we have to source a donor.
Never mind.
All right, I'm out. And for that reason, I'm very out. Wow. Holy crap. You have a Battista right here, dude? This was brilliant because we're going back to coach building and this is what it's all about, dude.
Absolutely.
They did, so this is a Nevera. This is the Concept 2, if you will, from the Mate Rimac. When he created that, he created the Concept 2, which eventually got named Nevera. This is a variation of it. This is the Pininfarina version of that car. Designed by Pininfarina on the outside, obviously with all of the equipment inside, as is. How much is this?
This particular spec, base without options, is
Yeah.
2.2. With options, this one gets up to around 2.8.
Holy. What happened with inflation, guys? What happened? What? I just went away for like 3-4 years, and then now every car is $8 million. This was cheap. This is only 2.8.
2.8.
Thank God.
Thank God.
Oh my God. Oh. Whoa, dude. This is incredible.
0 to 60 in 1.2.
Yeah, that is. Hang on, that is fucking stupid.
It's stupid.
No one needs that, but maybe I do. Dude, Sergio. Yeah. No, and come look at it from the back. Come.
Carbon little.
Yeah, no, it's delicious.
That blue carbon is insane.
And then this wing goes up as well.
No.
Yeah.
For 2.2.
2.8, as you see it.
2.8.
No options, 2.2.
New. Oh wow.
Yeah, that's for broke
See how
people.
the cameras everywhere too? There's cameras all over the car.
Oh yeah. You can film the meanest sex tape on top of this one. It'll be low quality, but hey, you'll have a lot of angles. A lot of angles. And that's what matters. You gotta see that going in.
It's got the BMW
You gotta
M
get the
caps.
money shot.
It's got the what?
The BMW M caps
Sergio, where?
on the mirror.
Oh! No, they're... No way! You're right.
Though.
Well, yeah, these are a little...
Look how big it is.
A little longer.
That's
yeah.
the biggest. Look at that. That's got to be at least. How many inches would you say that is?
That's at least a medium-sized one.
That's at least a medium-sized one for sure.
At least, at the very least, and
Above
that's
average.
that's big in here. That's big in here. Maybe not in your house, but here. Here it is, my arching nemesis. And this is my favorite nemesis I've ever had, and I love it so much. Just look at this thing from here. You can just see the air go through the car, and that's what's so magic about these cars. Because legitimately, from the lights, you see the holes in the lights, you see the holes down there, then you see right at the bottom how the air gets transitioned right here. But most importantly, it starts picking it up here, and it goes into that fancy 720S air entrance. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. Carbon fiber mirrors. Of course, it's a Spider. Wheels look great. I changed the wheels probably, but this is my favorite part in the car. Look at the fucking exhaust. You got 4 right next to each other, and then you have that. Oh, the line and the fact that it's convertible. Are you kidding me? This is so beautiful. The diffuser is insane. The engine is right there at the bottom. I'm sure you guys can see it now. Best thing about it is, ta-da! It's got the nice seats. Oh, and a fly. You're a confident fly. You're not even fucking moving, huh? Interesting. No, bad fly. Have you guys seen a fucking fly like that? Look at this. This flight doesn't want to go anywhere. Doesn't give a fuck.
That's his 765.
So this is the flight that bought it.
Exactly.
Everyone! I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to hear me, but this is incredible! This is insane! I love these cars because you can feel the road, because you can feel everything, you can feel the air! And then you brake hard, look at the wing in the back, oh my fucking god! I love these cars because legitimately you can feel the road, you can feel every single bit. It feels like you're moving Earth as you're moving the steering wheel. And this does it 100 times more. It's way more dramatic, it's way more exaggerated, but also it gives you like an extra. There's a vibration in the engine that I can't fucking describe. There's no words. Anyone that's made a video, I don't know if I've never watched one, okay? Thank God, because otherwise I'd have one of these in my house. And I gotta say, that vibration, that the engine, this, and along with this, that, and you can feel the wind just pushing the car down, which it's so different from my Huracan. And this is so nice. The visibility is insane. The feel is other level. The steering is perfect. The braking is monstrous. I'm sorry.
Oh, good.
But the sound, the experience, it makes me feel like it's gonna fly. Like it's gonna fucking fly. Oh my god. My pants, the suspension. McLaren, incredible. The car is really low. I gotta say, as an old man now, this is a very low car. Now I can complain about it, I'm at that age. This is very low, and the fucking little lift and putting it down, it takes forever, but do you really care when you have a car that fucking moves like an electric car, basically, but sounds like this? Are you fucking kidding me? Everything vibrates. This is the vibrator for men. And you all need it. I don't know where you're gonna put it, but you all need this. I need this. Now down. Abdel, you're a fucking piece of shit. Oh my god. I am sweating. I feel like a whore in church right now. Something's not right. The fact, like how you can feel the wind getting caught by the car and bringing it down instantly. The suspension, the gearing, the way that the engine sounds like it's gonna come out of the car, and not in a bad way, in an incredible way. I fucking hate you so much right now.
I told you had to experience it.
I don't want to keep filming this.
So how was it? That bad, huh? Where's your wallet? Give me your wallet before it's too late. Are you crying?
I am ruined, Sergio. That's what I am. I am fucking ruined. This is the equivalent to the male vibrator. It's that satisfying. And it vibrates like that too. So if you like it in the ass, this is probably really nice too.
This is the car equivalent of the G-spot? This is the G-spot where
it hits the G-spot every single time. Like it's on. Dude, the way it vibrates. the way it drives, the way it, like the noises, the speed, because it feels like an electric car but with an engine.
And it sounds so good. I can hear you guys whipping around from I don't even know how far.
I hate McLaren even more now. I do, because I want it so bad.
Time to get in your Sterado.
By the way, I'm already doing math.
Oh,
I'm already
no.
doing numbers. No. I can't do that. No. Let's not do that.